Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. When Evan was helping me remodel the bathroom, he did express interest in buying the Kei truck. I love the Kei truck and don't ever want to sell it, but it is having some problems. Still registered in Montana, so I'm gonna give it one last go, try to get it registered in California. And if I can't figure it out or it's too expensive, maybe it is time to let it go. Let's do some research. Okay, looks like GNK in Santa Ana is still doing it. That was from 6 months ago. Here is their website. I clicked price quote. I'm gonna fill all this out and wait to hear back. They got back to me pretty quickly, but all it says is please contact us in December for any Kei car updates. And it was like that 2 years ago when I bought the truck. I would contact them, they're not sure when they can work on it. And according to Reddit, even if they do work on it, it's still another $6,000 to $7,000. They're the only place in Southern California that can convert the car legitimately to pass California smog, CARB. There's also another way of ripping everything out and putting in an old EV battery. It's a lot of videos and content. I don't know if I have the time and energy to do that right now. So it makes a lot of sense for me to sell this to Edvin. I really like working with Edvin. I think we will have future meetups where we film content. So I won't be saying goodbye to the Kei truck forever. I can occasionally see it. I just don't think it's a good idea for me to use Montana plates forever. Evan also seems like a person that has more connections than me, so he probably can figure out a way to finally get California plates. I'm not in a hurry, so I have time to think about this, but definitely leaning towards selling it. Video 314 done.